Hello everyone, my name is Aarti Ghargi and you're watching HW News. A court in Gujarat Surat city on Thursday, that is today, convicted Congress MP Rahul Gandhi in a criminal defamation case against him over his alleged Modi surname remarks. He has been sentenced to 2 years in jail by the court. Rahul Gandhi has been convicted under IPC Section 504. The maximum possible punishment under this section is 2 years. The court also granted him bail and suspended the sentence for 30 days to allow him to appeal in a higher court. Gandhi was present in the court when the verdict was pronounced. Now, the final arguments resumed in the case last month after the Gujarat High Court vacated its stay on the proceedings imposed on a plea by the complainant demanding Gandhi's personal appearance. The case was filed against Rahul Gandhi for his alleged "How come all the thieves have Modi as the common surname?" remark on a complaint lodged by BJP MLA and former Gujarat Minister Modi. The complainant claimed that the controversial remark was made at a rally at Kolar in Karnataka ahead of the 2019 Lok Sabha elections, which defamed the entire Modi community. Now, the Congress on Thursday put up posters backing Rahul Gandhi in Surat. The posters were put up outside the Surat court, where the Congress MP arrived for the court proceedings. The posters said, "Let us go to Surat in support of democracy," along with pictures of Bhagat Singh and Sukhdev. Now, in his first comment after the verdict, Rahul Gandhi quoted Mahatma Gandhi. Tweeting in Hindi, he said, "My religion is based on truth and non-violence. Truth is my God, non-violence the means to get it." His sister and Congress leader Priyanka Gandhi Vadra also tweeted and said, "Scared rulers are pulling out all stops to suppress the voice of Rahul Gandhi ji. My brother has never been afraid, nor will he ever be. He will continue to speak the truth, will continue to raise the voice of the people of the country. The power of truth and the love of crores of countrymen are with him." Following the conviction, Gandhi earned a rare show of support from Delhi Chief Minister and Aam Aadmi Party boss Arvind Kejriwal too, who tweeted that he disagreed with the verdict. He said, "A conspiracy is being hatched to eliminate non-BJP leaders and parties by prosecuting them. We have differences with the Congress party, but it is not right to implicate Rahul Gandhi in a defamation case like this. It is the job of the public and the opposition to ask questions. We respect the court but disagree with the decision," he wrote on his Twitter. Now, the court found Rahul Gandhi guilty under Indian Penal Code Section 504. Now, what does this law say and what is the maximum punishment under it? Section 504 of IPC defines intentional insult with the intent to provoke breach of peace. The section states that whosoever intentionally insults and thereby causes provocation to any person intending to cause provocation or knowing that such provocation would likely cause him to break the public peace or to commit any other offense shall be punished with imprisonment for a term up to 2 years or with fine or with both. Now, the maximum possible punishment under this section is 2 years. Now, this case in itself isn't that big, but its ramification could be. The court has pronounced 2-year imprisonment for Rahul Gandhi. This technically attracts disqualification from Lok Sabha under Section 8(3) of the Representation of People's Act 1951, unless the sentencing is stayed by a higher court. Now, Rahul Gandhi or any other MP is allowed 3 months for appeal. Now, the disqualification of an MP convicted for an offence can happen in 2 instances. Number 1, if the offence for which he is convicted is listed in Section 8(1) of the Representation of People's Act. This includes certain specific offences such as promoting enmity between 2 groups, bribery and undue influence, or personation at an election. Defamation does not fall under this list. Second, if the lawmaker is convicted for any offence but is sentenced for a period of 2 years or more. Section 8(3) of the Representation of People's Act 1951 mandates that an MP can be disqualified if convicted and sentenced to not less than 2 years of imprisonment. Now, Section 8(4) of the law also states that the disqualification takes effect only after 3 months have elapsed from the date of conviction. Within that period, Rahul Gandhi can file an appeal against the sentence before the High Court. Incidentally, in 2013, the Congress-led United Progressive Alliance government tried to overturn the judgment and retain Section 8(4) of the Representation of the People's Act, under which lawmakers could not be disqualified for 3 months even if they were convicted. But it was Rahul Gandhi who called the ordinance on this utter nonsense and suggested it should be torn into pieces before proceeding to do just that to a printout to prove his point. We all know that moment. We all saw it on TV. Well, in the landmark 2013 ruling in Lily Thomas versus Union of India, the Supreme Court struck down Section 8(4) of the RPA as unconstitutional. Meanwhile, anger against Rahul Gandhi was also visible in Maharashtra Assembly, where ruling party MLAs slapped his poster with a shoe to show opposition to his statement over Savarkar. But well, what do you think about this? Do let us know in the comment box below. For more news and updates, you can log on to www.hwnews.in.